Welcome back. Brennan reporting in from South Hunterdon Regional High School to address you with some breaking news about the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, or smooth ER. Just recently, it has been reported that there is a problem about this organelle and that it has not been functioning properly. But don't worry. Professor Scott Ward of South Hunterdon studied and discovered a dysfunction in the organelle that can cause disease to the human body. An alteration of platelet membrane fluidity has made enzymes process differently in certain cells, Ward states. This abnormality has had significant accumulation with Alzheimer's disease. The smooth ER is one of the many organelles that allow the cell to function and keep the human healthy. But what has really happened to these organelles? What has really caused this dysfunction in the cell? First, a little background information on the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Structure. Most cells contain very little smooth ER, and it can be located alongside the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Most of the time, the amount of smooth ER can change depending on the location in the human body. Compared to other organelles in the cell, the smooth ER has a very unique structure. The structural difference between the two is that the rough ER is covered with little ribosomes, and the smooth ER lacks this feature, thus giving it a smooth look. The smooth ER consists of many tubes called cisternate and vesicles that branch off the nuclear envelope, forming a network. But can the structure of this organelle be part of the cause of Alzheimer's disease? Function. The smooth ER has a very important function for the cell. The smooth ER builds lipids such as cholesterol. In skeletal and heart muscle cells, the smooth ER releases calcium, which stimulates contraction. The vesicles around it transport molecules like proteins around the cell where they are needed or sent to the Golgi apparatus for exocytosis. Smooth ER can also be found in liver and kidney cells where it helps detoxify drugs and other harmful poisons. What really happens to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum? What is wrong with its function? It's in the enzymes produced to detoxify drugs, Professor Ward asks. My colleagues investigated that Alzheimer's disease is caused by a change in the enzymes. As Professor Ward has stated, Alzheimer's disease is caused by a dysfunction in the enzymes it produced. The enzymes in liver cells used to detoxify drugs act as if the harmful substance is not harmful at all, resulting in viruses. Symptoms of Alzheimer's disease are memory loss, confusion with time or place, or difficulty completing familiar tasks at home. There is unfortunately no cure for this disease. The average life expectancy for someone with Alzheimer's disease is 8 to 10 years after onset symptoms. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is not as it once was. This was Brennan. Back to you. Bam!